Alright, you're welcome to my channel, and quickly in this video I'll be explaining to you the different types of market. One thing about market is more or less like the interpretation of something. Something happened from something. Let me use the word, if there's something of that nature, something happened from something. So it's actually based on life events reoccurring that brings all these candles that we always see. You see these candles, they are live transactions, they are real life transactions. And one thing about Forex is, like foreign exchange, is we are trading other countries' economy. Do you get? So if, for example, dollar has a very worse economy, it will surely show on the chart. So more or less, like, chart is just like record. So like I said, one thing you need to picture yourself is to understand the type of market that we have. And the first type of market is we have a consolidating market. And consolidating market, consolidating market means a market that is stagnant. And this type of market that I'm talking about, a market that is stagnant, that just move from like this. They're just ranging from one low to another high, from one high to another low, from one low to another high, from one. Do you get? This is the type of market. Number one type of market I want to talk about is a consolidating market. Pay close attention. So, and the next one is we have our reversers. So, and I want you to understand that all these markets, they move from one event to another. They move from one each other. Like, for example, now we have a consolidating market, will always expand. So, and that's the type of market I'll be talking about. We have consolidating market, we have expansion, and we have reversal. Pay close attention. And I've just showed you example of a consolidating market. I'm going to show you a real life example of this after I've explained what I mean. So the next one is an expansion. So let's just take for an example. For example, we have a consolidating market like this. Price keep ranging, price keep ranging, price keep ranging, price keep ranging. Don't mind me. So they will come to a point that whether buyers or whether sellers are going to take charge. So, for example, let's take, buyers actually take charge of this market. So we have price come back after ranging and price goes up. This is an expansion. So what I always want you to understand is they are interwoven. So we always have a consolidating market that give birth to an expansion, and we also have an expansion that will surely give birth to a consolidating market. So they are interwoven. So when you see a market consolidating, understand that there will always be an expansion. Market maker will surely push price to expand, and when you see price so much expand, understand that there will surely be what? There will surely be an a consolidation or a reversal. Now, so let me explain. The third one that we're talking about is a reversal. So, for example, now, just following my example, we already have our consolidating. Let me show you here. We already have our consolidating market to be around this side, yes, and we also have our expansion to be around this side, yes. So next one is you don't really know what will happen, but one thing I'm sure is from consolidating market to expansion, market has 90% percentage of reversing. And like I said, we'll be talking about reversal. So let me give you a simple example right now. So after market consolidate and expand, so expect price to also do something of this nature. Market will surely reverse. There's nothing stopping it. So you should expect a reversal. Then they will now decide what to do. Maybe they will consolidate or change market structure or keep pushing up. That's exactly how market works. So just a recap of what I've said. I said we have different type of markets, and we have a consolidating market, and we also have an expansion, and we also have, lastly, we have a reversal. So let's go straight to a live example of all these things. So let's go straight to, okay, this is a consolidating market. You see this market right now. Okay, you see how buyers and sellers were actually dragging. They drag, and then they push up. Look at them, they expand. And the next one was they actually come for a reversal. See them coming for a reversal here and pushing up. So if you find this video so helpful, please do it to like, do it to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when I drop any content, you'll be the first to watch it. See you in my next video. Thank you.